Pollengrain is also called as male gametophyte because it is to produce two male gametes later on. And the pollen grain size is the 25 to 50 microns it is to have. And this is to have the two cells in this one. As it is producing the two male gametes later on, it is also called as male gametophyte. And it is developed from the microspore. And in this one, whenever we are seeing, it is covered by the two layers of the wall. Outer wall is the exine, which is having the sporopollenin in this one organic matter, and it is very hard one, and it can be withstand high temperature, strong acids, alkali, and any it cannot be digested by anything, any enzyme. For that only it is available as the fossils. And next, whenever we are seeing, the exine used to form the different structures on the outer side, and next is it is to leave here and there some pores. The pores are called as germ pores, and germ pores are useful for pollen tube coming out. Whenever it is, germ pore will be used. And inside cell wall, inside wall, whatever is there, that is called as intine. Intine is made up of the cellulose and pectin, and it is a continuous layer. And whenever we are seeing the Pollengrain, it contains of two cells, which is the big cell is called as vegetative cell, and generative, one small cell is the generative cell. But the thing is, both the cells are formed, one by mitotic division, that he has shown in the diagram also. That is the spindle fibers he has shown, mitotic division. But it is to form the two cells, which is the bigger, and one is the small. And one more thing is, the small size cell, generative cell, used to present inside the vegetative cell. This is also one of the neat bit, because the cell which is present inside the cell after the mitosis, if you ask, that is the pollen grain. And next, whenever we are seeing the vegetative cell nucleus is larger, and it is having the irregular shape, and vacuoles are present in the vegetative cell. This is also important. And the next, vegetative cell, whenever we are seeing here, vegetative cell contains of the dense cytoplasm, and it is to have the one nucleus. And it is to take the one mitotic division. Later on, it is to form the two microspores, male gametes. And next, whenever we are seeing here, this entire thing is very, very important for the NEET. So read it in this direction and get the good marks.